trick me. Cause baby girl, you are so easy to be. The only reason that I can do tonight is cause I know you were invited. The only reason that the stresses can die is cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only good for the secret of sights, because I want you to like it. The only reason I can do tonight is because I really like you, and I can never hide it. Want to remember your mind
The rest of the way. Okay, 5, here we go. Right. Peoples, we just got back to our hotel room. It is like, I don't know what time it is, close to 10 p.m. I feel hilarious. We had a really good time. We went to Tokyo Tower. We just walked around, explored. We had some good dinner. I don't know what it was or what it was called, but it was like some sort of like fried fish with rice and then like a yummy broth noodle thing stuff. What? Can you tell I'm tired? 7-Eleven haul. Here it is. This is like ice cream, red bean stuff. I don't know what this is. Joseph picked this out. I picked this out because I think it might be banana milk. It looks good. And then I picked out these grape gummy candies. This is a little matcha cake thing. And then people on TikTok said to get these vitamin C drinks. I don't know. And then Joseph picked out this random. You came out off the right time though, because this is busting.
Really?
It's time for Spring Red Bull Japan Edition. Can you open it? Tastes like the watermelon and the orange one had a baby. Like the red and the amber had a baby.
It does. time we go to Shibuya, we'll have a ton of.
Tell you. Just stop so we can go into the bathroom.